Are you looking for the best step stools? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best step stools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the HBTower 3-step ladder with handrails. While we climbed up the 3 steps, the step stool felt sturdy, and we liked how the handrails and the handle on the top had comfortable foam grips and gave us even more stability. While the step stool is the right height for switching out a light bulb or reaching a higher cabinet, we also think it's great for various DIY projects, as it comes with an attachable tool bag to hold screwdrivers and other tools. We found the ladder doesn't fold completely flat because of the rails, so you will need to make sure you have the right space to store it. However, if you don't need the rails or tool bag, our best 3-step pick, the HB 3-step ladder, is a similar model that comes without them, is even more lightweight, but still has the same generous weight capacity of 500 pounds. Up next in the 4th place is the Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool. This lightweight plastic option from Handy Laundry folds and stores easily and weighs just over 2 pounds. At 9 inches high, this type of stool is sometimes called a step up, meaning it's just high enough to give you a small boost. It folds completely flat and can be easily hidden when not in use. We love the one-handed folding mechanism as well. You simply pull up on the incorporated carrying handle in the center, and it snaps into the flat position. Available in different colors, this stool can go well in a kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. And since it's so portable, it also travels well. Anti-slip dots on the steps help feet stay secure, but we wish the standing platform was a bit larger. Still, at under $20, this is a great pick for those who want an affordable, compact option and a little help reaching items. The 3rd product on our list is the Rubbermaid 3-step aluminum step stool. Planning a painting project? You'll love the oversized, magnetized tray that is the right size to hold a paint can, with holes for paint brushes and other tools, so you don't have to get off the ladder to access them. It even features a spot to hold screws and a paper towel holder. We found this ladder very easy to open and close, lightweight and easy to carry around. It was also sturdy and never wobbled, even on the highest step. Over the course of 6 months, this Rubbermaid step stool has made basic tasks around the house so much easier. Thanks to this ladder, we can water plants more frequently because it's less of a hassle to reach them. Hanging curtains and blinds was less of a chore as well. Second on our list is the Kramer Kickstep. The wheels are designed to be non-marking, so the stool shouldn't damage your floors as you move it around. It's constructed from durable alloy steel and has a scratch-resistant powder coating to keep it looking great for years. We also love that it has a generous weight capacity of 350 pounds. The Kickstep weighs just over 10 pounds, so it's not difficult to carry from room to room. Some downsides of the Kickstep are obvious. There are no railings or other supports, and your reach is fairly limited. Measuring 16x16x19 inches, this stool is bulky and difficult to store in a closet. But it's good looking enough to display anywhere in your home, and an ideal everyday step stool for high traffic spots, such as living rooms and home offices. Finally, the top product on our list is the HBTower 3-step ladder. If you love our best overall option, the HBTower 3-step ladder, but don't need the handrails or tool bag, you'll love this similar model. It is slightly lighter, 11 pounds versus the 16-pound version with a handrail, and slightly more affordable. Although there are no handrails, there's a simple hand grip at the top, covered with padding. While we didn't test this option, we're impressed by the solid iron construction. This ladder is ideal for simple tasks where you need some extra height. Think changing a light bulb or dusting high shelves. The weight capacity is quite generous, 500 pounds, and a metal safety buckle ensures the stool locks into the proper position. Rubber feet at the bottom provide stability and protect floors from scratches. Anti-slip treads cover all 3 steps, and the top step is extra large for additional security. To store this step stool, simply fold it flat and tuck it away in a closet or laundry room. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.